celebration for Ma'am Gloria. For the ups and downs, slows and ups, right and wrong, and sometimes good and bad times of life. Once again, Mom Gloria's family to be with her. For the wine toast, we pray and tears for the celebration of Mom Gloria's 70th birthday. So, in one, two, three, itataas po natin ang ating wine at sabay-sabay po natin inumin after the 3. Okay po? One, two, three. Cheers! God bless everyone. Thank you so much for the relatives, batchmates, friends. Maraming maraming salamat po sa pagdalo. On behalf of Ma'am Gloria's family, kami po